Clinical examination of the respiratory system. Breath sounds. Let's look at sounds at the mouth. So with a healthy person breathing at rest, you should not be able to hear the breath sounds at the mouth. By contrast, in airway obstruction, for example in chronic bronchitis and asthma, the breath sounds will often be easily heard. In general, the worse the airway narrowing, the noisier the breathing. And these sounds arise from increased turbulence of the gas flowing in the main airway. The noisy breathing should be considered separately from wheeze, though the two may coexist. Stridor is a harsh, often musical note heard at the mouth, marked on inspiration and denoting major airway obstruction.